everyone, I'm Laura and welcome back to LSB Designs. Thank you for joining me again. Today I'm going to be doing a commission piece. It's a large triptych. Each panel is 12 by 30 inches, so overall it's going to be a really big one. Now the colours, you're probably getting fed up with this by now, but are the same colours as I've been using, and that's because my clients saw them, loved them, and that's what they wanted. So before I get started on that though, I just want to show you the dried results of the last two mini pours. Be right back. So here we go. This is the ring pour. Now you might be looking at that and thinking, that's not what it looked like. Well, there's a reason for that. Unfortunately, my daughter, who was 9, she moved the cover that was over them, protecting them from anything getting into the paint, and she knocked it straight into it and took a chunk of the paint out. Unfortunately, it dried too much to be able to tilt it and knock that section off, so I had to re-pour it. But that shimmer is beautiful, absolutely gorgeous. So might not be the original one I did, but it's still very, very pretty. And this one hasn't changed. Luckily this one averted any disasters from my daughter. This is the flip cup. So there we go. So I'm just going to put my base coat down on my canvases and then I'll be right back with you. Hi everyone, so these are my 3 canvases. As I said, they are 12 inches by 30 inches, so nice big ones. And my base coat is the titanium white, and my colours that I'm going to be using in the pour are the Mars black, pearl sapphire blue, iridescent silver, iridescent blue green, Prussian blue, and instead of putting the titanium white in, this time we're going with the iridescent pearl white. Okay, so the panels are going to be displayed the other way around to you. So instead of them going up like that, they'll actually be going across. So that's how I'm going to put the design on. So what I thought about is starting down here and going up, across, down, across and back up. But I'm not sure. I think I might do it as 2 semicircles coming up to meet each other. Yeah, I like that, so that's what I'm going to go with. So first on, I'm going to go with my Mars black. See if I can reach without being covered in paint. A lot easier to do the bottom ones. I can reach those so much easier. And now I think I'm going to go with the pearl sapphire. And then the pearl, the iridescent pearl. The Prussian blue. The iridescent silver. And topping it off with my favourite, the iridescent blue-green. And there we go. So now I'm just going to use my heat torch just to pop any air bubbles before I blow this out. There we go. Oops. I'm not happy with that one, so I'm going to put some more colour down on it. So it's got some white to blow against. There, I'm happy with that one now. So I'm going to see if I can blow a few bits out a little bit more with the airbrush, and if I can't, then I will put some more colour onto them and sort it out that way. They don't want to move, so I'm just going to drop a little bit more. There's some more colour under there, so let's see if I can get there we go. So I've now got that colour to come back up through, because that was rather a lot of silver there. Right, that was just my airbrush falling on the floor. So just taking out where some of my paint splashed. Just using my finger just to dot onto it and then wipe it off. So there we go. I'm just going to go around the edges and neaten all my sides up, and then I will bring you down for a close-up back in a few minutes. Here we are. Beautiful colours. Love that bit there. There's colours in it. So there we are, that's that one finished. I hope my client's as pleased with it as I am. I think it's come out really lovely. I absolutely love those colours. If you haven't subscribed, please subscribe and hit that notification bell. That way you'll be notified every time we upload a new video. Check out the links below. I've got some affiliate links. They won't cost you any extra, but they will help me out a little bit. And there's also my social media links if you'd like to follow me on there as well. So until the next time, thank you very much for watching. Take care. Bye bye.